So these are 3 really quick things you can do to help improve your prompting technique as well. One of them being constraints. So this is where you tell AI specific things that you need to define, such as word count, formatting, or style or tone, so that when you create those boundaries, AI can be more creative for you. If it has too much freedom, then it might not give you exactly what you're looking for. And this is something that we talk about in our AI Bytes courses as well. So explain marketing to me becomes much better of a prompt if we say, provide a concise 100-word summary of fundamental marketing principles in bullet points, especially if you don't have a lot of time to read through a whole book that an LLM could create for you on some sort of topic, right? Make sure you're giving it the constraints where necessary. And cutting down also will help. So as we mentioned before about giving AI multiple tasks, if you give too many tasks that are different simultaneously, then you can overload the prompt. So you want to make it smaller and more focused, and you're really delegating. It's like delegating tasks in a clearer and more concise way. And that's going to help you give or receive more relevant responses as well. So instead of asking an LLM to write a product description, create an email campaign, and design a social media post, you can have it break it down into 3 separate prompts with a really clear end goal in mind. We mentioned that before. You always want to keep that in mind. So write a product description for my company's new app. So that's step 1, right? Then your next prompt, creating an email campaign, introducing the app, and then designing a social media post highlighting its features. Of course, each one of these would have more context added to it and also constraints. And the last chain of thoughts. This is something that maybe you've heard of as well. I'll briefly mention chain of thoughts. This is for complex reasoning. Okay, so this is something you can look into a little bit more if you have to use complex reasoning really frequently. And what you're going to do is process complex reasoning before arriving at a conclusion. This is really good for problem solving, analytical tasks. And I'll give you a quick example of what chain of thought could look like. This is basically you telling AI to explain its reasoning step by step. Okay, so take a screenshot of this if you feel like you're very vague with your prompting. This is a good way that you could practice here as well.